Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your slow Wi-Fi speed on Linux. It's a very simple process to fix this problem. First, look at this page 1, the problem. Your Wi-Fi is connected, but the speed is very slow on Linux. You can simply see the difference that your download speed is showing something like this and your upload speed showing something like this. So how you can simply fix this slow Wi-Fi speed? So for now, we can simply move forward to first to check current connection and signal. Let's type in your Linux terminal nmcli space device space Wi-Fi space list. After that, we're going to get a signal that shows the Wi-Fi signal strength, and the bars give a visual idea. Low signal can cause slow speed. So on that occasion, we have to run the speed test. For that, we have to type in our terminal speed test-cli, and it will going to show us the download speed and the upload speed also with the ping. So this is our baseline. We will compare after fixes. So now here, what you have to do, we have to first check for the interface Wi-Fi channel. So here, what you're going to do, your current Wi-Fi channel might be crowded. For that, we have to type here IWLIST space WLAN 0 space scan space this symbol space GREP space -I space channel with this code, and then we're going to see the channel. So if there is lots of channel, if main network use the same channel over and over again, interface increases and speed drops. Another way to find out the problem is to slow for, and DNS server also can make browsing slow. For that, we can type here cat space /etc space /resolve.conf, and here we're going to get some DNS server over here. So use the fast DNS server like the name server over here or the 8.8.8.8 server, and for this is for the better browsing speed. After that, we can simply check our background downloads. For that, the background downloads, to showing it, we have to type sudo space net thogs, and it will going to show you that in your apps, if anything showing, like if you didn't open any of your application but it's processing in your background, that can maybe causes your slow internet issue. And after that, let's reconnect the Wi-Fi again. Sometimes reconnecting fixes temporary connection issues. Just simply turn off your Wi-Fi. Just simply type here nmcli device space disconnect space WLAN 0, and the device will be successfully disconnected. And after, you have to type here another time nmcli device connect LAN 0, and it will going to successfully activate with the IP address. So maybe this can fix your problem easily. After, we have to apply the recommended fixes. We have to move closer to the router and then use 5G gigahertz Wi-Fi speed if your device and router support it. Change to a less crowd Wi-Fi channel like 16 or 11, and use fast DNS server, and then keep your system and router firmware updated, and disable unnecessary background downloads and restart your router if needed. Apply one change at a time and test again. I hope it will going to apply and fix your problem. And last one, that is, we will going to test again and verify. We have to type here speed test-cli, and it will going to retrieve in the speedtest.net configuration, and as you can see, the download speed and the upload speed show you a big difference. So great, your Wi-Fi speed is now much bigger. Enjoy smooth browsing and streaming in your Linux operating system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.